Hey guys, this is Quentin. This is our General Electric spacemaker microwave, which we bought it in 2003. My mom just bought it before the year I came out of my mom's belly. Okay, now let's go ahead and start the microwave. I had popcorn in it. See? We got 90 seconds. That one had a 7 that I like. See? I like it. There goes the popcorn. You can hear it. I love this microwave a lot. I like it with a 7 that has a down arrow. See? Where it has a down part. So there's the washer. Food is ready. I am trying to carry it away from my face. That's what the instructions said. I already got it out away from my face.
Oh, you did?
You see, there's the word R-E-A-D-Y. There it is. That's our General Electric spacemaker microwave. Did you buy it with the 7 that I like in 2003? What? Yeah, when you move to here.
Okay, so you open it away from your eyeballs.
Away from your eyeballs, right. You open it, carry it, and open it and carry it away from your face. Well, sometimes it cools off faster. I want to eat the popcorn. Watch me eat. Delicious. Alrighty. We got our popcorn microwave. And we got popcorn in the microwave for about 90 seconds. That's 1.5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to publish this video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Take care, everyone. Bye.